Hi everyone, it's Emma here, and today I'm making my peppercore basil pesto. So I got this idea from Culinary Medicine UK, so just to allow them to have a bit of the credit, but of course I've put my own spin on it. So here we're using some lovely peppercores with all those seeds intact, which we usually tend to throw away, along with some lovely fresh basil, some gorgeous extra virgin olive oil, and some Herbamare Spicy. So let me just show you how easy it is. Firstly, to prepare your peppercore, remove the whole peppercore with the seeds intact and just discard the green stalk only. Next, add all your ingredients into a blender and blitz. You can add some extra olive oil if need be to achieve your desired consistency.